goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hands shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. You are the reason. I need you to hold me tonight. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
Welcome to my paradise. Come and take a look out through my eyes, and you decide what people like to say. People thieving, fighting, telling lies. They criticize and hate each other. Nature's colors all have changed somehow. The seas are brown, the skies are flicking gray. All of these things make me feel so down and think about finding my own place. A place where we can dance and breathe, a place where we can share some weed, a place where there's no bullshit and everybody can come. Welcome to my paradise, where the sky's so blue, where the sun shines so bright. Welcome to my paradise, where you can be free, where the party's never ending. can dance and drink. A place where we can share some weed. A place where there's no bullshit and everybody can come. Welcome to my paradise, where the sky's so blue, where the sun shines so bright. Welcome to my paradise, where you can be free, where the party's never ending. Welcome to my paradise, where the sky's so blue, where the sun shines so bright. Welcome to my paradise, where you can be free, where the party's never ending. Welcome to my paradise, where the sky's so blue, where the sun shines so bright. Welcome to my paradise, where you can be free, where the party's never ending. Welcome to my paradise, where the sky's so blue, where the sun shines so bright. Welcome to
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of her is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a